Hello everyone, today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on a novel retinal blood vessel segmentation algorithm for fundus images. So there is a code written for a novel retinal blood vessel segmentation algorithm for fundus images. So let's run this code first and try to understand the output. Hit on run, change folder. You can see in the output window it is loading the matrices. Okay, so we have the output now. This is the figure 1. This is the blood vessels which is showing in this image. This is the filtered image, or we can filtered image of this figure 1, and this third is basically the segmentation of this blood vessel, novel retinal blood vessel segmented image. It is hardly visible, but if you will see, this is the pattern which it is following red color. It is hardly visible, but if you will focus, then you can see that. So this is the output. Now let's come to the code. Okay, so this algorithm is basically presented the segments retinal blood vessels with a high degree of accuracy. So in this code we are first reading the image by using amread function. We are reading test.jpg file. Let's see how this file is. Okay, so this was the file. Now come to the code. Then we are resizing the image for easier computation. So we are resizing it by using amresize function. Then we are reading the image. Then we are reading the image and doubling the image by using am2double function. Then we are converting the RGB image to the gray using PCA, that is principal component analysis. Then we are enhancing the contrast of gray images using clay. Then we are doing background exclusion. We are applying basically average filter, then showing the figure. Then we are taking the difference between the gray images and the average filter. Then we are thresholding the image using the isodata method. This is the threshold level. Then we are converting the image to the binary by using am2bw. Then we are removing the small pixels, and at the last we are overlaying the image. So this is the code for a novel retinal blood vessel segmentation algorithm for fundus images. In this code we are implementing this on fundus images. So let's understand what fundus images are. So you can see fundus photography involves capturing a photograph of the back of the eye, that is fundus. So specialized fundus cameras that consist of an intricate microscope attached to a flash enabled camera that are used in the fundus photography. So that is the fundus images. That is quite slow. So that was the fundus images basically. When we capture a picture that involves the photograph of the back of the eye, so that is the fundus images. So that was the code. Thank you for watching.